Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury, performance, and innovation with an exclusive look at the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. Buckle up as we explore everything this beast on wheels has to offer. The Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just another supercar. It's a statement of style, engineering prowess, and unparalleled performance. Join us as we take you on a journey through its design, performance features, technological advancements, and much more. Lamborghini has always been synonymous with luxury and performance. The Revuelto, the latest addition to their iconic lineup, continues this tradition while pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation. But what sets the Revuelto apart from its predecessors? First unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto has captivated audiences with its striking design and mind-blowing performance capabilities. The name Revuelto, which means scrambled in Spanish, signifies the perfect blend of chaos and order, power and elegance. The exterior design of the Revuelto is a masterpiece of automotive artistry. Lamborghini's design team has managed to create a car that looks aggressive yet elegant, futuristic yet timeless. The front fascia is dominated by the signature Y-shaped headlights, which not only provide excellent illumination, but also add to the car's distinctive look. The aerodynamic lines that run along the car's body aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in enhancing performance and stability. The rear of the Revuelto features a bold diffuser and an active rear wing that adjusts automatically to optimize downforce at high speeds. Step inside the Revuelto, and you're greeted by an interior that screams luxury and sophistication. Lamborghini has spared no expense in crafting a cabin that offers both comfort and cutting-edge technology. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather, with options for customization to suit individual tastes. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that serves as the command center for the car's various functions. From navigation to climate control, everything is just a touch away. The Revuelto also features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Revuelto is powered by a monstrous 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers an astonishing 770 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that not only boosts performance, but also improves fuel efficiency. The exhaust note of the Revuelto is a symphony of power and aggression. Lamborghini has engineered the exhaust system to provide an exhilarating soundtrack that matches the car's performance capabilities. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds and a top speed of over 217 miles per hour, the Revuelto is a true performance machine. Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power is put to the ground efficiently, providing exceptional traction and handling. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just about raw power. It's also packed with cutting-edge technology. One of the standout features is the advanced driver assistance system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The Revuelto also features an advanced infotainment system with a large, high-resolution touchscreen. This system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even has its own suite of apps designed specifically for Lamborghini drivers. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, with customizable displays that can be tailored to the driver's preferences. Whether you're on the track or cruising down the highway, the Revuelto keeps you informed and in control. Lamborghini has always been known for producing cars with exceptional handling, and the Revuelto is no exception. The car's lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis provides a perfect balance of strength and agility. The advanced suspension system features adaptive dampers that adjust in real time to provide the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or pushing the limits on the track, the Revuelto delivers a smooth and controlled ride. The braking system of the Revuelto is equally impressive, featuring carbon ceramic brakes that provide exceptional stopping power. Combined with the advanced traction control system, the Revuelto offers unparalleled handling and safety. Lamborghini offers a wide range of customization options for the Revuelto, allowing buyers to create a car that is truly unique. From exterior paint colors to interior materials, the possibilities are nearly endless. Buyers can choose from a variety of bespoke features, including personalized stitching, custom badges, and unique trim options. Lamborghini's Ad Personam program takes personalization to the next level, ensuring that every Revuelto is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. In addition to its breathtaking performance, the Revuelto also represents a step forward in Lamborghini's commitment to sustainability. The mild hybrid system not only boosts performance, but also reduces emissions, making the Revuelto one of the most environmentally friendly supercars on the market. Lamborghini has also incorporated eco-friendly materials into the construction of the Revuelto. From recycled carbon fiber to sustainable leather, every aspect of the car has been designed with the environment in mind. The true essence of the Lamborghini Revuelto can only be experienced behind the wheel. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising along the coast, the Revuelto offers a driving experience like no other. The advanced driver assistance systems and customizable driving modes allow you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. Whether you prefer a relaxed cruise or an all-out performance drive, the Revuelto delivers. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto enters a highly competitive market, facing off against rivals from Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche. However, with its unique blend of power, elegance, and innovation, the Revuelto stands out as a true leader in the supercar segment. Industry experts and enthusiasts alike have praised the Revuelto for its design, performance, and technological advancements. It's no surprise that the car has already won numerous awards and accolades. The Lamborghini Revuelto is set to hit dealerships in late 2024 with a starting price of around $450,000. While it's certainly an investment, the Revuelto offers unparalleled performance and luxury that justifies its price tag. Lamborghini offers a personalized delivery experience for Revuelto buyers, ensuring that every aspect of the purchase process is as luxurious as the car itself. From factory tours to personalized handovers, Lamborghini goes above and beyond to make the buying experience unforgettable. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is more than just a car. It's a testament to what can be achieved when passion, innovation, and engineering excellence come together. From its breathtaking design to its mind-blowing performance, the Revuelto stands as a true icon in the world of supercars. If you're a fan of automotive excellence and luxury, the Revuelto is a dream come true. It's a car that demands attention, not just for its looks, but for the sheer thrill it offers every time you get behind the wheel. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth journey into the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Drive safe, and see you in the next video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and keep dreaming.